Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage here. Well, what we got going on today, I got my stickers in finally. Check them out there. Finally got them in. And, like I was saying in the other one, if you want to help be a part of this build, look at here, this broken quarter glass here that's spidered all out. It's split right up the center. You can join Two Hacks Garage, old Jeff over there, and Kyle at Two Hacks Garage, Buzz at Roadkill Customs. I got you on here twice for the No Name 500, and another Jeff, 162 Customizing. If you want to join them on being a part of this build by holding that quarter glass together, just send me one of your stickers and I'll send you a BareRose Garage that you can stick somewhere. And if you, in all honesty, I'd put him in the back of the room, way back there, away from all of the broken stuff. Why? Because there ain't no telling what that guy's gonna break. Trust me, I know him pretty well. So in the meantime, like I said, if you want to do the sticker exchange and be a part of this build by fixing a broken window, send me your contact information. You can look up my email on my info page where it says email, and you got to click that little button and say, hey, I'm not a robot, ding, and it'll pop right up. Send me an email with your contact information. I'll send you my address and you can send me your sticker. I'll send you one of mine, and you can be a part of the Fairlane build and then be well represented at the No Name Nationals. So in the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot, and we'll catch you on the next one.